Welcome to Golden Mountain, Golden Meadow.
What's up? Into partner Oscar.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cheers.
His rhythm is pretending to be. Look at them, what this guy is. Nirvik is sleeping.
Today we are visiting Patan Darbar Choir, Bangalamukhi Temple, Swarna Bihar, etc. The sole objective of this trip are actually students grooming, visit cultural sites, historical sites, archaeological studies, etc. We are also going to observe lifestyle of Patan, the beautiful landscapes, the streets, the sanitation of the people, social and cultural activities, and also we are having interpersonal, intercultural sharing between people, domestic people, international people, and friends and foes. Also helps students escape from the four walls of the classroom and explore the city, Patan.
Excursion. This is my diary and blog with Patan Darbar Choir. So we are going inside to Swarna Bihar, one of the very master of stone heritage here. Hello.
This is Kara. This is golden. They're written.
Get in and you'll find out. Get in, you'll find a surprise. Surprise is waiting for you. Oh. Hi, how are you? Yeah, of course. You came alone. I am surprised. I forgot your name anyways.
How can I forget my name?
There's so many students, no?
You're just here right now.
Yeah, I'm listening in this school.
An immense nostalgia dragged me back to old days of James. Anyways, the purpose is yet to Patan Darbar Choir's visit.
हजुर गोल्डन टेम्पल लेखा स्वर्ण विहार होइन सर हिरण्यवर्ण महाविहार भनेको छ कस्तो लाग्छ सर भित्र जाँदा
महाविहार
भित्र जाँदा कस्तो अनुभव भयो
एकदमै आध्यात्मिक अनुभव बुद्ध
2-4 मिनट 5 मिनट भित्र बसेर आउनुपर्छ शान्तिको महसुस गर्नुभयो
त्यहाँ गएर प्रार्थना पनि गरे
Okay. How did you feel going inside Swarna Bihar?
So I'll tell you what that is. So we also
Rang the bell. And you have to remain quiet and tranquil.
And then
Every Buddhist area you go, you have to have. Yeah, go on. And what did they say? What did they say when you rang the bell? Why?
But then we didn't know.
Okay. Going to Bangalamukhi Temple. What is your experience till now?
It is very enjoyable. And this is my area.
What about the Swarna Bihar that you visited? This is your area?
Yeah, this is my area.
How come this is your area? This is Newar Basti.
No, but I live near.
We're big fans of Wadi, so I think it's a very joyful person.
Yeah.
Watering, right? They're watering the
What's that?
Lying is a sin.
Bangalamukhi Temple has been renowned as the abode of wish fulfillment.
Entering Bangalamukhi Temple. Hey? Where are you going, by the way? Which temple is this? Which temple are you going? To? Which temple are you visiting right now? Bangalamukhi. Oh, which temple are you visiting now? Which temple are you visiting? Bangalamukhi. Okay. So inside the line, you go to Bangalamukhi temple, right? You know the name now? What's the name? You don't know? It's Bangalamukhi temple. Your wish will be fulfilled. So what's the name of the temple that you are going to?
Badrinath.
This is not Badrinath. This is Bangalamukhi. Here we have got Badrinath temple.
I know Bangalamukhi.
Your area, right? What's the name of the temple that you are going to?
Subscribe to HK Amo.
Bangalamukhi temple.
Bangalamukhi
Wish
temple.
it will be fulfilled.
Subscribe to HK Amo. Here you see a cute couple. Subscribe to Hare Krishna Amo.
Time demo advertisement, right?
Krishna Amo on YouTube.
Okay, now we are in Pandara Square. Pandara Square, one of the main buildings is under renovation. We are trying to get into a museum, waiting for that. You can see. Hi, hello.
Entering the gold gilded gate, one can openly see the history in the museum. Art and architecture are the finest thing that you can observe. Highly specialized art, in-depth craft, and symbolic structures are the live examples of our history.
It's quite fun to walk on this veranda. Round about veranda we are. See, they are also enjoying. We have a thing, architecture gallery. We have Mulchok, Sundari Chok, Badargali Tank, and architecture gallery.
This is the artificial garden of Patan.
These are the inscriptions. This will tell you the history of when it was, what was erected, what was renovated, etc. They have a garden area actually. Moving on to the main garden. Yes, we have got open space inside, a very, very big garden.
Yes.
Get in.
I'm Swarga favorite student. I'm Swarga favorite student.
Time to get in. Hello. Why did you go outside? We have
Because
very
it
nice
was
place.
Very
Very-
obvious.
Oh, we have got open area, garden.
Let's go now. Let's go.
We are waiting for everybody.
Magnificent architecture, royal, majestic vibe make us feel proud.
The area is here. Look at this. Dance performance, and yeah. Probably this is a bathing area. As you can see, short fella.
One is immensely mesmerized by the vast vicinity of royal lifestyle. The use of every space fascinates every curious eye.
Another thing that we need to notice is that like all the houses have the pinnacles and temple on top of that. You see the pinnacle on top, and every that gozur is what we call. There is another temple within it. So this is one important architecture of Patan Square. Probably this is the bathing area for some of the maids and workers at the time when there was Mallak Kingdom. You see the architecture, they have like observation area too. Maybe they have like some kind of competition on swimming, right? So yeah, royal bath shop there. However, there is one more area which we call Sundari Chowk. I'm still looking for it. Must be somewhere around, but it is within this boundary. There's an open garden area. I got there is one escaping cave when there was attack there. They escaped on the shooting to that. Okay, so you are the guys. Whom I brought to observe in detail about this.
And dogs behind them.
Despite the clear objective of our students, I find them only grooming among their friends, and they have not interviewed any of the foreigners or the locals.
Vehicle is Garuda. We have two types of Garuda. This is Nepali Garuda. Nepali Garuda is human face, human body with wings. In other Garuda, eagle face. Yeah, human body with wings. Yeah. And so many Tetis billion of God. And here bathed and purified after he do meditation in this area. Meditation place. See, this is meditation. And here snake. Snake is always protect, God of protection and water. And when you are looking this form, when you are looking from the throne, lingam, without ling. Yeah, ling. Yeah. And when the king sleep, he saw the tree that affects. Replica. After I saw your original in outside, Krishna Mandir. It's a replica when he stood, he saw tree. Yeah. And these are all women window. They can see but we can't see. That is for men window. Yes? These are one of the beautiful courtyard where they stood from the film of Tita Chitra. We heard of Tita Chitra? Italian director Bernardo Bertolucci, they stood from this area. That's the and outside you find the house. And here are so
Thanks to the local guides who are busy unraveling the inner mysteries of the structures and the history. Probably, the global warming and the heat were ruthlessly showering upon us and testing our strength. We were brave and tactful too to have shades and rest underneath these beautiful sculptures, artifacts, crafts and architecture. We felt cool, peace and tranquil.
And our heart is perfect. Yeah?
Be careful about yourself and follow. That person has a lot of story about this place.
What is the ball is turning, what is bouncing. That ball is expensive. And if you have a migraine, depression, head pain, insomnia, or you can put on the head, you tap all the vibration go there. Yeah. Yeah.
Or straight? Straight only.
Put down a ball like this. No water. Ulta.
Apart from the visible physical feeling, we also get the spiritual meditational feeling out here. Its tranquility, its automation, its beauty, its magnificence are some of the examples that attracts the attention of each and every individual who enters this courtyard. The enigmatic sublimity, the mystic complexities, and the majestic supremacy are some of the important major points to ponder upon living in this serene courtyard. How deeply can you delve into this ponderous depth of poetry and smile upon the historical art, skill, perseverance and dedication to erect and establish this beautiful monument. Patan Darbar Square boasts elegantly of its beauty to allure the people around the world. We kept our eyes and mouth wide open in awe to remember those skilled manpower who carved and established these beautiful sculptures, designs, and magnificent courtyard. The motivational buildings and infrastructures of the past, mystic history, will be the inspiration for hundreds and thousands of generations that are yet to come. Besides this, our students were extremely excited to be a part of history and to stand in this beautiful premises, to be enjoying at every moment and in every kernels of this. Along with the areas astronomy, science, mathematics, our students teamed up to work for the upcoming projects of science subjects like project report writing, language arts work like quiz, travelogue, speech, news article, short drama, and diaries. Patan Darbar Square is going to help all the researchers, students, readers, and writers help with the required feeling, insight, and information. With the heart filled with the excitement, happiness, and feeling of content, everyone return home.
You can have intercultural talks. Talk to them.
Research channel is a very good person, and my name is Arjun Rizal, and I am standing for this year's school election as the vice captain, and I would want you guys to vote for me, otherwise I will opt to
Yes!
Sir.
Namaste guys. I'm Udashri Thapa and I am standing up for the position of captain of our school. And please vote for me. I'm the biggest officer. And I'll do anything for you. Yes. Thank you.
I'm having fun standing on the logs, sitting on the logs actually. Look at this. They're also planning to start their lunch. You're gonna start your lunch?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are inside the premises of where? To buy something? Yeah. You're waiting for someone? Monkey!
What do you mean monkey?
You wanna see monkey nature? You started drinking water, very good. So, you guys are at a picnic. You're having a very nice picnic, right?
What time?
Sharing and eating.
Sir's favorite student.
Okay. Still sharing something? You got drowned, drenched in the mud. Why?
Yo YouTube channel चल्ने नहीं रहा था और remember that Ori सारे धोखा दीदी भयो Thapa don't vote for Ojasvi Thapa vote for Ojasvi Thapa
They started their lunch. Pure veg. I'm non-veg man. I'm the non-veg man. Nothing, you start your lunch. That's great. Sharing is caring, guys. You can share.
Vote for Ojasvi. Sir, don't vote for
she's been bullied and all that. You can see where we kept. Okay, you got chow. Matcha ko achar. Yeah, thank you. So this is matcha ko achar. So tasty. Okay, additional advertisement. Additional dose of medicine. So this is matcha ko achar. How did you make this matcha ko achar?
This achar, first, no. First we dry the fish, and then fish. That's what we take oil, and then in the oil we put like different spices, and then in top of the fish we put the spices and the hot oil mixture, and then we mix it.
Yeah, that's tasty as well.
It's really good.
Banana. To have banana? That you?
Bala.
You go banana. You go banana. Are you having nice meal? I think this is not gonna give you a good diet. How are you feeling? Huh. Hi, you can start sharing. Oh, this person has not brought anything. Give him a lot of food. Eh? This food. So what are you going to eat? You're tasting food. Go ahead, enjoy. This is for you only. You prepare yourself. Allah. Finally, this is our team. They have in lunch as well.
Hi guys.
Post excursion
I'm
vlog.
amazing.
Post excursion vlog. How are you feeling, girls?
Very energetic.
Very energetic. See, I can see Sujasni already slept, tired. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Still energetic. Post tour vlog. How are you feeling now? Amazing.
Very hot.
Very hot. So guys seems to be very tired, but they are not. They are still energetic. And how are you feeling after the tour? No energy at all. This is a post vlog, post tour vlog. This guy speaks Nepali. You can see the evidence. Look at this energetic person. After.